Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Connecting Python to PostgreSQL and calling a function involves several steps. Below is a step-by-step tutorial with a code example to demonstrate how to achieve this. In this tutorial, I'll use the Psychopage2 library, which is a popular PostgreSQL adapter for Python. Install Psychopage2 library. Have a PostgreSQL server installed and running. Replace the placeholder values, name, user, password, host, port, with your PostgreSQL database information. Assuming you have a PostgreSQL function named example_function that takes parameters and returns a result. Replace example_function with the name of your PostgreSQL function and adjust the parameters accordingly. This tutorial provides a basic framework for calling a PostgreSQL function from Python. Adjust the code according to your specific database and function requirements. ChatGPT.